Welcome to Smashtober. Have you checked out our Redbubble shop? Have you gone to smashomash.com and clicked the SMASho merch link? Well, if you're going to shop early, you can save 20 to 60% store-wide at the Redbubble shop by entering the promo code SHOPEARLY. You can find links to the SMASho merch shop at smashomash.com. Welcome to the Neo-Renaissance. Check out the Meridional jet stream flow, folks. What does it do? Here's what it does. It causes cold air to be moved to the south and warm air to be moved to the north, which means it's going to be a warm day in the UK. As you can see, southern air showing up around the British Isles there, and a cold day in the central Atlantic. It's meridional jet stream flow, folks, where the jet stream flows along meridional lines instead of longitudinal lines like the equator. Major bend here off the east coast of South America as well. Here are the surface winds of the Western world. Some strong winds there in between Greenland and Iceland. It could be a bad day for Viking longboats to make the trek. Let's take a look at the surface wind scenario for the eastern portion of the planet. Shout out to our viewers from Munda. Two powerful counterclockwise rotating systems there around Kamchatka and south of Alaska. Here are the jet streams of the west. And you can see the jet stream blowing backwards here over the West West Pacific and northern Indian Oceans. Continuing on, here's your weather.gov map. If your county's lit up, please click on it. We've got some frost advisories as well as some hard freeze warnings there, it looks like. Freeze warnings in much of California there and parts of Oregon as well. Weather.gov if your county's lit up. Here's your NASA GOES lightning mapper. And we see lots of lightning here over northern South America, Central America, and much of Mexico. Here's a real-time lightning map. No terrestrial lightning in the U.S. at the moment. I like to use lightningmaps.org when I hear thunder. Check it out next time you do. Here's where pressure cells are located. By the way, windy.com has a great mobile app. If you're not aware, let's advance this into the European forecast. Here's where we expect pressure to be at 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow. Again, that's the European forecast for pressure at 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow, Tuesday, October 19th. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. We lost 8 followers, so please make up the slack and go follow us over at Twitch, twitch.tv/smashomash. I'll bet you're able to visit a website as you're viewing this video on the internet. If you're only viewing the videos on BitChute, make sure you go subscribe over on YouTube. YouTube.com/smashomash has most of the content. If you're viewing any place besides YouTube, you're missing most of the content. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. If you don't follow us on Twitter, perhaps you should. Here's a little video about St. Fauci's fraud.
So now we have 2 vaccines.
What is up with the efficacy of those vaccines? I just don't know. I won't say anything besides what is up with it, and invite you to tell your friends and your foes and your science noobs and science pros about the channel, as the algorithms don't seem to be doing it. So we need you to go out there and press the share button, leave a comment, and increase the probability that these videos will continue to exist, remain publicly visible, etc. Press like, press subscribe. Join the Smash team. Yeah, the Smash team. We've replaced Patreon with something vastly superior. If you want to go check it out, go ahead. There's a bronze level that's free if you'd like to get an intro into what it looks like and so on. The features are vast. Do you see this happening on Patreon? What's that? No, of course you don't. It's not possible there. Let's take a look at some more meteorology stuff. I just want to check the life of the stream here. Again, this video was originally streamed live to twitch.tv/smashomash. So here's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean, the world's largest body of water. Yeah, water vapor. That's right. It's a greenhouse gas. Yeah, it's an actual greenhouse gas. Not a fictional greenhouse gas. You ever notice how it stays warmer at night on cloudy nights, folks? That's the greenhouse effect of water vapor. Yeah, the thermal emissions of those clouds are keeping you warm. It's the greenhouse effect. That's why it gets so cold in deserts at nighttime. It's because the air's dry. Water emits a lot of radiation. Here's a satellite measuring it. It's the GO-16 water vapor satellite. Next, the U.S. Doppler Radar Map. First, Alaska, where precipitation is stagnating south of Anchorage. Here's the lower 48. What about Hawaii? No precipitation happening there. Here's the lower 48. Only precipitation happening around California and Nevada and New York and northern Pennsylvania. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's the 3.9 nanometer radiation map. Some clouds over the Rockies. And here's the water vapor map for the lower 48. And you can see the jet stream moving some cold air into places like Pennsylvania. Some unseasonable, well, not really unseasonably, just a little bit colder than normal today is the forecast for Pennsylvania. Here's the recap. Yeah, Doppler radar. Shortwave radiation. In other words, clouds when it's too dark to see them, with the visible satellite, and water vapor. Hopefully that gave you some perspective. Thanks again for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted, naming news.